Hello. This feature is related to your graphic card. If you have NVIDIA graphics, be sure to follow this video. To get started, you need to run the GeForce Experience program. But if you don't have even 1% of it, you can download it from the links in the description. Now you have to create an account and enter the program after completing its tasks. After logging into your account, go to the settings section, scroll down and turn on the in-game overlay option if it's off and don't touch it if it's on. Now close the program. Now use these buttons on the desktop or in the game. Now you will see that the related panel will come up. You can see that it has many functions such as live broadcast, video record, highlight, screenshot and many other functions. Now go to the settings section. In this section, you can make settings for features, such as whether you want to show your computer's consumption profile while playing or not, or with what quality or in which place your camera will record, and other useful settings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Goodbye.